Dobrý den, vítejte na mém kanále Czech by Zuzka, kde vás pomocí angličtiny učím českou gramatiku. Ale dneska to bude trošku jinak. Today is going to be a little bit different because Christmas is coming. Vánoce přicházejí and I would like to teach you a Czech carol. Compared to the Christmas carol that I taught you last year, which was from the 15th century, this one is a bit newer. This one is from 1962. And it's a song which was written as a Christmas song, but it became so popular that now it's a part of a Christmas tradition and people like to sing it when they sing all the other traditional Czech Christmas carols. If you watched my video from last year, you might also remember I had a Christmas tree right next to me, and unfortunately I couldn't bring it here because there is so much snow in the balcony that the tree is literally frozen and it's stuck to the ground. I cannot bring it. So I have a Christmas decoration here, vánoční ozdoba, and that should be enough for bringing some Christmas atmosphere. This Christmas song is called Vánoce přicházejí, or also Veselé Vánoce, and it describes all kinds of traditions that happen in a Czech family in a humorous way. We could say it's a parody of Czech Christmas traditions. They can be romantic, but sometimes they are too cheesy or too cliché that they become annoying. And this song also describes all the family members that when the family gets together, the Christmas becomes more annoying because each member also brings their annoying habits of celebrating Christmas. This song has 4 parts and we are going to focus on the first one. Let's have a look at the beginning of this song, which is the chorus. Vánoce přicházejí. You can read with me. Můžete to číst se mnou. Vánoce přicházejí. Tady máte titulky. Zpívejme, přátelé. Zpívejme, přátelé. Po roce Vánoce přicházejí. Po roce Vánoce přicházejí. Šťastné a veselé. Šťastné a veselé. When we want to wish somebody Merry Christmas, we say Veselé Vánoce. Veselé Vánoce, or we can just say šťastné a veselé. Merry and happy. Šťastné a veselé. And we don't even say the word Vánoce. One thing that I would like to point out is that Vánoce it's actually plural because we are talking about holidays, the Christmas holidays. So it's not only one day that we celebrate. That's why this verb is in plural. Přicházejí. They are coming. Christmas are coming in Czech. Vánoce přicházejí. From the verb přicházet. So whenever you talk about Vánoce, it is plural. Vánoce jsou krásné svátky. Christmas is a beautiful holiday. Now the first part of the song. Proč si děda říci nedá? Proč si děda říci nedá? Tluče o stůl v předsíni. Tluče o stůl v předsíni. A pak běda marně hledá. A pak běda marně hledá. Kapra pod skříní. Kapra pod skříní. I know that many Czech learners love this word. Skříň pod skříní. So you saw the translation, but let's do a little bit of Czech sentence analysis. These are the verbs. I'm going to underline all the verbs. Proč si děda říci nedá? Říci is an archaic infinitive of říct, to say or tell. Říci, when an infinitive finishes with an I, C and I, or T and I, it's an archaic infinitive that we no longer use. Well, this is 1962, so it was not that uncommon to say this way, but also we needed 2 syllables here. Děda si nedá říct. Grandpa doesn't listen to us. It doesn't matter what is said to him. He is not gonna listen. Nedá si říct. Tluče, he bangs. Tluče o stůl v předsíni. Předsíň. Předsíň is a feminine noun. and it means hall. Every Czech house has a hall where you leave your coats and shoes before you actually enter the house. V předsíni, this is locative case. Běda is something that we say when something goes wrong. I found that in English it can be translated as woebetide. Běda is obviously archaic too. Běda. Marně hledá. He's looking for the carp in vain. Kapr. Kapr is a sweet water fish that we eat for Christmas. Not in every family. For example, in my family we never used to have carp. We had chicken schnitzel, breaded chicken, and potato salad. But it is very common that Czech people go and buy the carp alive. Then they keep it in the bathtub for maybe 1 day or 2, and then they kill it themselves on the Christmas morning. And as you can imagine, oftentimes this carp escapes and people are looking for the carp all over the house. To je hrůza. This is still part of the first verse. Naše teta peče léta. Naše teta peče léta. Na Vánoce Vánočku. Na Vánoce Vánočku. Nereptáme, aspoň máme. Nereptáme, aspoň máme. Něco pro kočku. Něco pro kočku. Our verbs are here. Peče. She bakes. Peče. Nereptáme. Máme. 3 verbs again. Nereptáme. The infinitive of this verb is reptat, to complain. If you want to tell somebody don't complain, nereptej. Nereptej. It's not a very common verb, but we use it in this context. Nereptej a dělej. This part is about Vánočka, this Christmas pastry. It looks like a bread, white bread, but it's a little bit sweet. You slice it and then you can put butter on it and honey or jam, whatever you prefer. Or some people just eat it without anything. It has raisins in it and it's a good dessert to go with the coffee. But this part of the song wants to say that the aunt is not very good at baking this Vánočka. Peče Vánočku, accusative case. Něco pro kočku, actually 2 accusative. Máme něco, we have something, pro kočku, for the cat. 2 accusative cases here. A stejně jako minulý rok se melodii nejdříve naučíme. And just like last year, we're first going to learn the melody. So this is the beginning. Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí. Now the first part. Proč si děda říci nedá vlče o stůl v předsíni? And then the same melody. A pak běda marně hledá kapra pod skříní. Naše teta peče léta na Vánoce Vánočku. Nereptáme, aspoň máme něco pro kočku. And then the chorus starts. Tak pojďte zpívat se mnou k tabuli.
Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí, zpívejme přátelé. Po roce Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí, šťastné a veselé.
Proč si děda říci nedá kluče o stůl před týni a pak děda marně hledá kapra pod skříní. Naše teta peče léta na Vánoce Vánočku, nereptáme, aspoň máme něco pro kočku.
And now it's time to sing it. Zaspíváte si se mnou? Will you sing with me? I know it's a little bit faster, but you can try, at least some parts. Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí, zpívejme přátelé. Po roce Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí, šťastné a veselé.
Proč si běda říci nedá kuče o stůl před síni a pak běda marně hledá kapra pod skříní. Naše teta peče léta na Vánoce Vánočku, nereptáme, aspoň máme něco pro kočku.
Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí, zpívejme přátelé. Po roce Vánoce, Vánoce přicházejí, šťastné a veselé. Tak a to je všechno. Líbila se vám písnička? Did you like the song? Let me know if you've heard this song before, and I would really like to know if you were able to sing this song. Now I am going to teach you one word, and that is prskavka. I have this little package that says prskavky. There are sparklers, and one of them is prskavka. Prskavka, also a fun word, and it has to do something with the verb prskat. Prskat is an onomatopoeic verb. Prskat means to sputter. Prskat. I'm going to light up one of these. Prskavka. Zapálím prskavku. Tady mám zapalovač. Tak. Vážení přátelé, já vám přeju krásné a veselé Vánoce a šťastný nový rok.